Imagine you had a hidden switch inside of you, one that could quiet the noise of stress and help you to find your calm almost instantly. It's like a special button that can turn down the stress and help you feel calm again in just a few minutes. Life moves fast and stress seems to follow us everywhere. From traffic-filled commutes, overflowing inboxes, to the relentless pace of news and social media and the constant juggle between work and life. Today I will share with you the powerful yet easy tool I use regularly to calm myself down in a stressful situation, and it helps already within 1 to 2 minutes only. Are you curious? Let's begin this easy step towards instant peace. Are you ready to learn what it is and take back control at any time in your life? Stay with me, because we're about to uncover this little secret. I'll show you how to tap into your body's natural stress relief system. Hi, I'm Helen, and I'm a transformation expert. This channel will provide you practical tips to improve your life for the better. Stress often feels like an emotional storm, doesn't it? Anxious thoughts, worry, the feeling of being overwhelmed. But there's also a physical cascade, a series of reactions happening inside of our body. Our muscles might tense, our breathing can become shallow, and our heart rate may rise. These aren't just symptoms, they're the body's way of responding to stress, preparing us to face a challenge. But sometimes we need to tell our bodies the battle isn't necessary. And that's where this powerful technique comes in. We have the power to reverse the body's stress response to calm the storm. How? Through breath. Think of your breath as a remote control with a relax button. When we breathe deeply and rhythmically, we activate our parasympathetic nervous system, the part that promotes rest and digestion. It's a signal that tells our brain, hey, we're okay, we can relax. And this isn't just a neat trick. It's backed by science, specifically through a process known as respiratory sinus arrhythmia, or RSA. Let's dive a bit deeper into RSA. This isn't just a term reserved for scientists, it's something happening in your body at this very moment. A very natural thing. RSA refers to the natural increase in your heart rate when you inhale and the decrease when you exhale. Here's the fascinating part. This ebb and flow can actually be harnessed. When we breathe with intention using certain rhythms, we can enhance this RSA effect in either direction. Fast, shallow breaths increase the heart rate and signal stress to the brain. Deep, long breathing, in particular with longer exhalation, quiet the noise of stress, fostering calmness and enhancing our overall well-being. This means to activate RSA in order to calm down, we need to breathe intentionally. In that case, it means we need to breathe out longer than we breathe in. It's about pattern and rhythm. In a moment, we'll do a breathing exercise together that's designed to maximize exactly this effect. Whenever you feel stressed, you start to inhale slowly for the count of 4, and then exhale for the count of 6. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Let's do this together for a few cycles, and I'll guide you through it. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you feel it already? With only a few cycles of this breathing, with a longer exhalation than inhalation, you can almost instantly bring yourself from a highly stressed state to a calm state. As you count in silence only for yourself during this exercise, nobody around you realizes you are using this powerful technique at all. Hence, it allows you to use it at any time needed. During job interviews, meetings, in public transport, during a date even. You can also do it before stressful events or as a daily routine to keep your stress levels in check. It's simple and effective, and it can be done almost anywhere. By using this 4-6 breathing, you're equipping yourself with a powerful ally against stress. I encourage you to make this breathing exercise as part of your daily stress management toolkit. Please share with me your experience when using this tool. How did it help you? What other tools do you use for stress relief? Thank you for joining me today. If you found this technique helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical videos like this in future.